The meeting held at NRM Electoral Commission headquarters in Kyadondo brought together top party leaders, current and outgoing SEC members, and all aspirants in what has been described as the first of its kind engagement. In attendance were National Vice Chairman Haji Moses Chigongo, Party Secretary General Honorable Richard Todong, Deputy Secretary General Honorable Rosina Mayanja, NRM Electoral Commission Chairperson Dr. Tango Doi, and other commissioners. The party leadership urged candidates to refrain from misconduct, divisive politics, and the use of abusive language during campaigns, warning that such behavior threatens party cohesion.
Allow each and everybody fairness and to present themselves on their own merit, and we shall judge them by their merit. For conflict of interest, I am sure within the commission, if that is the case, I don't think Dr. Tanga will preside over the election of the youth because of that particular case. There are many other commissioners here who will preside.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a soft-spoken Secretary General, but very firm. I've been here. We have a soft-spoken Secretary General, but he's very firm. He has said, you hide delegates, we get the evidence, we disqualify you. What we need only is the evidence, the photos, we prove it, we send CIDs to prove it, it comes to the Electoral Commission, we write a letter through legal disqualifying you.
Dr. Tango Doi reaffirmed that voting will be conducted through the lining up method, a system the party maintains, promotes transparency and fairness. He assured the candidates that the process will be impartial and that all aspirants will be given a level playing field.
All leaders are coming to Kololo. We did a virtual election during the COVID. That's when we voted at district level. Now all of you will be guests of the Secretary General at Kololo. And then he allows us to vote you, and we shall give guidelines per every voting. If we find the other voting, the guideline was not good, we change to make a better guideline within the guideline. Regulations are always the mandate of the commission. And the commission is free within the regulation to put in some intonations depending on the mistakes made in the previous to correct and improve.
The warning comes amidst reports raising tensions among contestants, some of which have spread over into social media and mainstream platforms.
As we say, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it ends with 1,000. That is your mark. You have got 1,000. If the other one comes and gets 1,100, that is another one. And if the last one gets 400, we declare the winner with 1,100 in public, as God is watching. What is the problem? And then we write declaration forms for you, and you all sign as agents, and we hand over officially in the purview of the senior leaders. The election we are supposed to worry about is the scattered election. But this one, Nicololo, we shall manage.
With over 200 candidates vying for various SEC positions, the NRM emphasizes that unity will be crucial as the party prepares for 2026 general elections and undertakes key internal reforms.
SEC members vetting them, be rest assured that you will be given all that you deserve to be attended to with all the fairness it deserves. Nobody will work against you simply because a few SEC members are moving as a team. Don't feel intimidated.
The outcome of the upcoming Delegates Conference is expected to play a significant role in shaping the party's direction in the years to come.
To thank you for taking on these positions. It speaks. The numbers are higher than they have always been, and that speaks to the magnitude of the party that we belong to and what it has done to the communities. And I just want to tell you that in this race, whenever you express interest, there are three options. You can come unopposed, you can win, or you can lose the election.
Julius Mhomza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.